As mentioned in the video title, you can transform your default Windows 11 taskbar into a dock like this for free. This dock has some cool features. It automatically adjusts its size based on how many programs are open or pinned. The icons are animated, and the coolest part is that the system tray is hidden, which ensures a much more cleaner look. So, to do this, you need to install Windhawk. To resize the taskbar, install the taskbar height and icon size mod. Then, click on the Settings tab and change the height, width, and icon size of the taskbar. Next, install the Taskbar Styler mod. Go to the Advanced tab and replace the default code with the one provided in the video description. To make the icons animated, install the Taskbar Dock Animation mod. Go to the Settings tab and change the animation scale. To hide the system tray, install the Taskbar Tray Auto Hide mod. Click on the Settings tab and adjust the opacity. To fill the empty space on the taskbar when the window is maximized, install the Taskbar Background Helper mod. You can select blur, acrylic blur, or a solid color, whatever you prefer. That's all. Please comment down below and share your thoughts on this setup. See you in the next one.